Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Well, it's been 1 year since I acquired my Michael Kelly Hybrid Special. I got it at a closeout sale of the Sam Ash store in Sarasota, Florida last summer. And so I've had it for a year now, and I love the guitar. It plays very, very easy. It's well built. I did an introduction video last summer, so if you want to go back to that to get some of the technical aspects and details and features of the guitar, that's still up here on YouTube and available. Today, what I wanted to do was kind of give you a little update and a little bit of a sound check, so to show the versatility of this guitar. But before we do that, let me say that I'm a late-in-life learning, self-taught guitar player that's been at it less than 3 years. So when I play, don't expect Eric Clapton or Jimmy Page or Jeff Beck kind of stuff. Okay, so with that out of the way, I'm going to start out with all acoustic, and that's controlled by this three-way switch here. So we're going to be all acoustic. I'm going to play a power chord riff in the key of G, just to kind of show you what the thing sounds like. So here is acoustic only. So there you have the sound of it in exclusively acoustic mode. So let's switch it to humbuckers only in electric mode and see what that sounds like. So there you have some of the tones that this guitar is capable of. Now for an extra added attraction, when you're using the humbuckers, you have a push-pull here where you can switch to single coil. So additional sound opportunities there. This is a really nice guitar. It's one of my favorites. I've got 8 now. This is maybe top 2 or 3. I looked this morning on the internet just to see what they were selling for nowadays, and there are several retailers online advertising them at just under $1,000 without a case or a gig bag or anything, just guitar only. So it's a $1,000 guitar. I think if you decide to spend the money on it, I think you're going to like it. Like I told you before, it's lightweight, it's easy to play, it fits in your hands just nice, it looks great, and it's so versatile from a tone standpoint. If you have a chance to check out Michael Kelly, it might be well worth your while. Thanks for visiting, and come back to the channel soon. Bye.